Welcome to the Big Lift, your top destination for all things heavy machinery. Subscribe now for the latest in lifting and construction equipment. John Deere Forestry Equipment represents a robust line of machinery engineered to tackle the challenges of forestry operations. From felling trees to processing timber, John Deere offers a comprehensive range of equipment that meets the demands of modern forestry practices. One of the key aspects of John Deere forestry equipment is its durability. These machines are built to withstand the rigors of the forest environment, where rough terrain and harsh conditions are commonplace. Whether it's a feller buncher, a skidder, or a forwarder, John Deere equipment is designed to keep working day in and day out, ensuring that forestry operations remain productive. Another hallmark of John Deere forestry equipment is its efficiency. These machines are engineered to maximize productivity while minimizing fuel consumption and emissions. Features such as advanced hydraulic systems, intelligent control systems, and high-performance engines help to ensure that every drop of fuel is used efficiently, reducing operating costs and environmental impact. The tong barrel washer is a versatile machine designed for washing and cleaning various types of produce, including potatoes, carrots, and onions. It is used in the agricultural industry to remove dirt, debris, and other contaminants from the produce, ensuring that it meets the high standards required for market sale. The machine consists of a large rotating barrel that is filled with water and produce. As the barrel rotates, the produce is tumbled and agitated, allowing the water to wash away dirt and debris. The barrel is equipped with spray nozzles that help to further clean the produce by spraying it with water. The tong barrel washer is equipped with a variety of features that make it efficient and easy to use. It is designed to be gentle on the produce, ensuring that it is not damaged during the washing process. The machine is also easy to clean and maintain, with removable panels that allow for easy access to the interior of the barrel. Overall, the tong barrel washer is a reliable and efficient machine that is ideal for washing and cleaning produce in the agricultural industry. The MacDon M2 series roller mowers are a versatile and efficient solution for cutting and mowing grass, hay, and other vegetation. These mowers are designed to provide a clean and precise cut, making them ideal for use in fields, pastures, and other large areas. One of the key features of the MacDon M2 series roller mowers is their durability. These mowers are built to withstand the rigors of continuous use in tough conditions. They are constructed with high-quality materials and components that ensure long-lasting performance. In addition to their durability, the MacDon M2 series roller mowers are also known for their efficiency. These mowers are designed to operate smoothly and efficiently, reducing fuel consumption and increasing productivity. They are equipped with advanced cutting systems that deliver a clean, even cut, reducing the need for additional passes. The MacDon M2 series roller mowers are also designed with user comfort in mind. The Kobe Autonomous Garden Machine is a cutting-edge robotic gardening machine that is designed to automate the process of planting, watering, and maintaining a garden. This machine is equipped with advanced sensors and cameras that allow it to navigate and operate autonomously, making gardening easier and more efficient. One of the key features of the Kobe Autonomous Garden Machine is its ability to plant seeds with precision. The machine is equipped with a seed dispenser that can accurately plant seeds at the desired depth and spacing, ensuring optimal growing conditions for plants. In addition to planting seeds, the Kobe autonomous garden machine is also capable of watering and maintaining a garden. The machine is equipped with a water tank and a series of nozzles that allow it to water plants with precision, ensuring that they receive the right amount of water at the right time. The Kobe autonomous garden machine is also designed to be energy efficient. It is equipped with a rechargeable battery that allows it to operate for extended periods without the need for recharging, reducing energy costs and environmental impact. Overall, the Kobe autonomous garden machine is a revolutionary gardening machine that is designed to make gardening easier. The Dlen Rock King rock picker is a specialized agricultural machine designed to efficiently collect rocks and debris from fields. It is commonly used in farming operations to clear fields of rocks, which can damage farm equipment and impede planting and harvesting activities. The Rock King rock picker is equipped with a series of rotating paddles or bars that sift through the soil, collecting rocks and debris in a hopper or bucket. Once the hopper is full, the collected rocks can be easily emptied onto a pile or into a trailer for disposal. One of the key advantages of the Dlen Rock King rock picker is its efficiency. This machine can quickly and effectively clear a field of rocks, saving farmers time and labor. It is also designed to be durable and reliable, with sturdy construction that can withstand the rigors of field work. In addition to its efficiency, the Rock King rock picker is also designed to be easy to use. It can be easily attached to a tractor or other farm equipment, and its operation is typically straightforward and intuitive. Overall, the Dlen Rock King rock picker is a valuable tool for farmers looking to clear their fields of rocks and debris. Its efficiency, John Deere forestry equipment represents a robust line of machinery engineered to tackle the challenges of forestry operations. From felling trees to processing timber, John Deere offers a comprehensive range of equipment that meets the demands of modern forestry practices. One of the key aspects of John Deere forestry equipment is its durability. These machines are built to withstand the rigors of the forest environment, where rough terrain and harsh conditions are commonplace. Whether it's a feller buncher, a skidder, or a forwarder, John Deere equipment is designed to keep working day in and day out, ensuring that forestry operations remain productive. Another hallmark of John Deere forestry equipment is its efficiency. These machines are engineered to maximize productivity while minimizing fuel consumption and emissions. Features such as advanced hydraulic systems, intelligent control systems, and high-performance engines help to ensure that every drop of fuel is used efficiently, reducing operating costs and environmental impact. In addition to durability and efficiency, John Deere forestry equipment is also known for its reliability. These machines are built to last, with rugged components and high-quality construction ensuring that they can handle the toughest jobs. This reliability is backed by John Deere's extensive dealer network, which provides support and service to keep equipment running smoothly. The Chili Harvester Moses 1010 is a specialized agricultural machine designed for the efficient harvesting of chili peppers. It is equipped with a series of picking arms or rollers that gently remove ripe chili peppers from the plant, ensuring minimal damage to the fruit. One of the key features of the Moses 1010 is its efficiency. This machine can harvest chili peppers quickly and effectively, reducing the need for manual labor. It is also designed to be gentle on the plants, ensuring that the fruit is not bruised or damaged during the harvesting process. In addition to its efficiency, the Moses 1010 is also designed to be easy to use. It can be easily attached to a tractor or other farm equipment, and its operation is typically straightforward and intuitive. The machine is also designed to be easy to maintain, with accessible components that can be quickly replaced or repaired. Overall, the Chili Harvester Moses 1010 is a valuable tool for farmers looking to harvest chili peppers efficiently and effectively. The Pavey Special Modular Low Bed Semi-Trailer is a heavy-duty trailer designed for transporting oversized and heavy loads. It is commonly used in the construction, mining, and forestry industries to transport equipment such as excavators, bulldozers, and other large machinery. One of the key features of the Pavey Special Modular Low Bed Semi-Trailer is its modular design. This trailer can be customized to accommodate different types of loads, making it a versatile option for transporting a variety of equipment. It is also equipped with a low bed height, which makes it easier to load and unload heavy machinery. In addition to its modular design, the Pavey Special Modular Low Bed Semi-Trailer is also known for its durability. It is constructed with high-quality materials and components that can withstand the rigors of heavy-duty use. The trailer is also equipped with safety features, such as brake lights and reflective markings, to ensure safe operation on the road. The Merge Pro 915 6-row camless pickup is a specialized agricultural machine designed for harvesting hay and other forage crops. It is equipped with 6 pickup reels that gather the crop from the field and feed it into the baler or forage harvester. One of the key features of the Merge Pro 915 is its efficiency. This machine can harvest crops quickly and effectively. The high-capacity side discharge trailer is a specialized trailer designed for transporting bulk materials such as grain, feed, or fertilizer. It is equipped with a side discharge mechanism that allows for easy unloading of the cargo. One of the key features of the high-capacity side discharge trailer is its high capacity. This trailer can transport large volumes of material, making it ideal for use in agricultural and industrial settings where large quantities of bulk materials need to be transported. In addition to its high capacity, the high-capacity side discharge trailer is also designed for durability. It is constructed with high-quality materials and components that can withstand the rigors of heavy-duty use. The trailer is also equipped with safety features, such as brake lights and reflective markings to ensure safe operation on the road. Overall, the high-capacity side discharge trailer is a reliable and efficient option for transporting bulk materials. Its high capacity, coupled with its durability and safety features, make it a popular choice among industries that require the transportation of large quantities of bulk materials.